You will never see what I'm about to show you. Nobody alive today will, but it's coming whether we're ready or not. Right now, as you watch this, the sun is getting brighter. Not dramatically, not visibly, just 1% brighter. Every 100 million years. That sounds harmless. It isn't, because that 1%, multiplied across a billion years, is enough to end everything you've ever known about life on this planet. The oceans, the forests, the sky, all of it, gone. And it starts much sooner than you think. 100 million years from now, Earth still looks familiar. Continents have shifted. The Atlantic Ocean is wider. A new mountain range has risen where the Mediterranean Sea used to be. But here's what's already changed. The carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere have dropped dangerously low. As the sun gets brighter, it pulls CO2 out of the atmosphere faster than volcanoes can replace it. And CO2 is a molecule that plants breathe. At 150 parts per million, most plant life on Earth simply stops. The great forests of the Amazon, gone. The grasslands of Africa, gone. The wheat fields feeding billions, gone. No plants means no oxygen. No oxygen means no animals. No animals means no us. The planet doesn't explode. It just quietly runs out of life. 500 million years from now, the sun is noticeably brighter. Surface temperatures average well above 50 degrees Celsius. The oceans are evaporating, not all at once, slowly, relentlessly. Water vapor rises into the upper atmosphere, where ultraviolet radiation breaks water molecules apart. Hydrogen escapes into space, never to return. The oceans aren't drying up. They're being dismantled, molecule by molecule. Where Paris once stood, the ground temperature reaches 70 degrees by midday, and still, the sun keeps rising. 800 million years from now, nothing moves on the surface. The sky is no longer blue. No clouds, no rain, no wind. The landscape is fractured rock and dust. Like Mars, but hotter. Temperatures regularly exceed 100 degrees Celsius. If you somehow stood there, which you couldn't, you would look up and see a sun that burns with a fierce, relentless intensity that makes our current sun feel gentle. And then it rises again the next day, and the next. An endless brutal sunrise over a dying world. 1 billion years from now, the oceans are gone. The atmosphere is thin, hot, and poisonous. The last microorganism on Earth. Something ancient. Something that survived every mass extinction, every meteor strike, every ice age, takes its last breath in a deep underground crack, and then it's gone. Earth is now, officially, a dead planet. But here's what haunts me. The sun still rises. Every single day, for billions of years after the last living thing draws its last breath, the sun will rise over this empty, scorched, silent world. Golden light spilling across cracked rocks that used to be ocean floors, casting long shadows across the ruins of what were once cities, now just slightly different arrangements of dust. Nobody sees it. Nobody feels the warmth. Nobody is there to call it beautiful. The last sunrise on a living Earth will happen completely unwitnessed, and we will never know exactly which morning it was. But here's what I need you to hold on to. 1 billion years is not a death sentence. It's a number so enormous that human civilization, everything from ancient Egypt to the internet, represents less than 0.0003% of the time Earth has already been alive. We are not at the end of the story. We are barely past the first sentence. In 1 billion years, if humanity survives, and there is no scientific reason we couldn't, we won't be here anymore anyway. We'll have moved to other planets, other star systems, other galaxies, carrying life outward into a universe that has been dark and silent for billions of years. Earth doesn't have to be the end of life story. It was just where life began. 1 billion years from now, the sun will rise over an empty Earth. But somewhere out there, in a galaxy we haven't named yet, orbiting a star we haven't found yet, something that started here will watch a different sunrise and call it home.